My topic is talk about a great personality in which you are interested in. Well, there are lots of people in this world who are famous for their great works, and here I would like to talk about a great personality who is Muniba Mazari, and she is from Pakistan and also known as the Iron Lady of Pakistan because she has received 3 major and 2 minor surgeries where doctor had to put a lot of metal into her body in order to fix her body. Actually, one day I was scrolling Instagram and I saw her profile, and from there I came to know about her. If I talk about her personality, she is really very beautiful and has a great personality as well, and has given life to a lot of people by her motivational speech. Although she has gained fame in multiple areas as an artist, anchor, model and motivational speaker, however, she has built her most of the career in painting. She had started painting when she was in the hospital, and she is the first model who uses wheelchair because of the injury sustained in that car accident. Apart from this, because of that car accident, she couldn't be a mother. Consequently, she adopted a child, and all these things makes her really very interesting to me, and I am habitual to listen her motivational speech on the YouTube, and I really feel very confident and motivated whenever I used to listen her motivational speech. In future, whenever I will get a chance to meet her, I will definitely meet her. I will not miss that chance to meet such a great personality.